Now we will do the first part, that is differentiate between the following. इसमें आपको D तक दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. First is glenoid and acetabulum, second is carpals and tarsals, third is axial and appendicular skeleton, fourth is hinge joint and pivot joints, movable and immovable joints, then seventh is flexure and extension muscles, eighth is true and false ribs. So here we'll see glenoid. The glenoid cavity is a structural feature on the scapula bone, also known as the shoulder blade or shoulder bone. Acetabulum is the socket of the hip bone into which the head of the femur fits. And second is tarsals, carpals. Tarsal bones are the group of 7 bones forming the ankle of the foot. Carpal bones are the group of 8 bones forming the joint between the forearm and the hand. Then axial skeleton, appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton में हम देखेंगे parts of the skeleton that consists of bones of the head, trunk of the vertebrae. Then portion of the skeleton of vertebrates consisting of the bones that supports the appendages. Then here these are made up of 80 bones and appendicular skeleton made up of 126 bones. Then hinge joint and pivot joint. These joints can move up and down or backward and forward like door hinges, example knees and elbow. It connects the skull and spine. It allows the head to rotate and also move it upwards and downwards, example joint between skull and first vertebrae of backbone. Then movable joints and immovable joints. Movable joints allow greater freedom of movement, example shoulder, elbow and wrist joints. Immovable joints don't allow any kind of movement of the bones they connect, example skull and pelvic girdle. Then flexure muscles and extensor muscles. Flexion refers to a movement that decreases the angle between two body parts. Extension refers to the process of straightening that increases the angle between the two body parts. Then comes true ribs, false ribs. Ribs which are attached directly to the sternum are called true ribs, example the first 7 pairs of ribs. Then false ribs are those which are attached indirectly to the sternum, example the next 3 pairs of ribs after 7th pair of true ribs. तो यहाँ पे आके आपका ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया अलॉन्ग विद द एक्सरसाइज पार्ट. तो सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो मैंने आपको लगवाए हैं वो सारे आपको कॉपी में लिखने हैं. साथ ही जो भी डायग्राम्स आपको बोले हैं सारे डायग्राम्स बहुत ही नीटली और पॉसिबल हो तो कलर्ड डायग्राम्स बनाइएगा. राइट. थैंक यू वेरी मच.